How to add Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a Netflix account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you want to add some Netflix account, you have to understand that you're not really adding Netflix account because adding a secondary account to already existing account is actually not possible. For example, you have the Netflix application over here and I'm currently logged into one of my accounts. So I'll just log into my account, but if I want to log out of this account and log into some other account, that is not possible. Now you might be talking about changing your profile, which means the profiles which you see over here as to which profile you want to log in. Now that is actually possible. You can do this by just tapping on the plus icon and you can add some other profile over here. So let's say that I choose some other profile, tap on the save button over here. Once I save it, and if I go ahead and then reopen Netflix, once I reopen Netflix, you'll be able to see the new profile that we just added. You can actually also add up to 5 profiles. So just tap on the add profile button to add more, and in order to remove them, tap on it again. Tap on this edit button and delete profile. Keep in mind that this is the way to change and add our profiles, not accounts. But if you want to change the account itself, then you have to sign out of this account and only then log in with another account. Hope this video cleared your confusion as to how you can change Netflix accounts or profiles. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.